China, Indonesia, Singapore and airlines in multiple other countries have also suspended use of the aircraft. EU regulators have said they are closely monitoring the situation, but they have not yet taken steps to inspect or ground 737 MAX fleets. The US Federal Aviation Administration has deemed 737 MAX planes airworthy. Shares in Boeing, BA, dropped almost 2% in pre-market trading, after closing 5% lower on Monday. Spirit AeroSystems, SPR, which makes Boeing 737 MAX fuselages, fell 4% on Monday. 2. Brexit drama. UK lawmakers will have another chance Tuesday to vote for the Brexit deal that Prime Minister Theresa May has negotiated with the European Union. The pound was trading 0.6% higher against the dollar, at $1.32, ahead of the vote as investors found reasons to be optimistic about the deal's chances. Approval would remove the risk of Britain crashing out of the European Union. May's first attempt to usher the deal through the parliament ended in an overwhelming defeat, as lawmakers rejected the bill for various reasons. There's still widespread skepticism that she can win enough votes. If lawmakers do not vote for the deal, the United Kingdom will continue to speed toward its March 29 exit deadline. Lawmakers may then vote on whether Britain leaves the European Union without any deal at all, or whether May should go back to Brussels to plead for a deadline extension. 3. Volkswagen's electric plans. Volkswagen has accelerated its already ambitious plans for electric cars, increasing the number of new electric models it plans to build over the next decade from 50 to 70. The German carmaker has announced massive investments in electric and battery technology, signaling its intention to confront upstarts like Tesla, TSLA, that have carved out a niche in the emerging electric car market. Volkswagen, BLKAF, said in a statement Tuesday that it now plans to build 22 million electric cars by 2028, a sharp increase from its earlier estimate of 15 million. It said it may also get into the battery manufacturing business in Europe. The company said its profit reached €13.9 billion, $15.7 billion, in 2018, an increase of 0.7% from the previous year. Shares in Volkswagen dropped slightly. 4. Wells Fargo, WFC, CEO Tim Sloan will testify before the House Financial Services Committee on Tuesday. On Monday, the bank released a progress report detailing its transformation since September 2016. It highlighted leadership shakeups at the company and new measures aimed at curtailing risk. Sloan will lay out how Wells Fargo has addressed the aggressive sales tactics that led to the creation of millions of fake accounts and other issues, such as charging thousands of customers for auto insurance they didn't need. 5. Global market overview. U.S. stock futures were pointing higher. European markets opened higher, except for the FTSE 100 in London, which includes many multinational companies which face pressure when the pound is stronger. Stocks in Asia finished the trading session higher. The Dow closed up 0.8% on Monday and the S&P. The Nasdaq soared 2%, its best day since January 30.6. Companies and Economics. Dick's Sporting Goods, DKS, is set to release earnings before the open. Shares in Meituan Dianping, China's app for everything, closed 11% lower after the company revealed massive losses for the last 3 months of 2018. Meituan reported operating losses more than doubled to 3.7 billion yuan, $551 million, last quarter, compared to the same period a year earlier. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics will release its CPI report for February at 8:30 a.m. ET.7. Coming this week. Tuesday, Dick's Sporting Goods, DKS, earnings. Wells Fargo CEO testifies before House Financial Services Committee. T-Mobile, TMUS, and Sprint,'s CEOs testify before Congress Wednesday. U.S. durable goods report Thursday. Dollar General, DG, earnings. New U.S. home sales report. Tesla holds Model Y event Friday. U.S. industrial production and U.S. consumer confidence report.